11 Herbs that help reverse ED. Herbs can be used as a way to support a healthy lifestyle. They work slowly to help rebuild your body. Do not expect overnight results. This is an overview to give you a starting point. Pick a few herbs for some more research. Some of my favorites are L-arginine, Maca and nettles. 1. Ginkgo Biloba. This herb is known for its ability to improve blood circulation. 2. Ginseng. This herb has long been used in traditional Chinese medicine to improve libido and sexual function. 3. Maca. This Peruvian herb is well known for its ability to improve libido and sexual function. 4. Muirapuama. This Brazilian herb has been shown to be effective in treating sexual dysfunction. 5. Rhodiola. This herb is thought to help increase energy levels and stamina. 6. Schizandra. This Chinese herb is known for its ability to increase libido and sexual function. 7. Tribulus terrestris. This herb is thought to help increase testosterone levels. 8. Horny goatweed. This herb has been used for centuries to improve sexual function in men. It is thought to help improve blood flow and circulation. 9. Yohimbe bark. This herb has been shown to help improve blood flow and circulation. 10. Hawthorn berry. This herb has been shown to help improve overall cardiovascular health. 11. Nettle leaf extract. This extract has been shown to help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can be beneficial for those with ED as inflammation is thought to play a role in the development of this condition. Okay, that's it for this video. But one more thing. If you have any questions about this video, call or text Healthy at 60+ at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, subscribe to this channel and remember to click the bell icon. To view other videos about this same topic, click on either of these two video links. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.